In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an AI video in Perplexity, focusing on the fun scenario of Spongebob working at McDonald's. It's a quirky and entertaining concept that combines the charm of a beloved cartoon character with a fast food setting, offering you a great opportunity to explore the capabilities of AI in video creation. So let's dive right in and explore each step in a simple, clear manner. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser. From here, you can head over to Google. This is your starting point for accessing the tools and resources we'll be using today. Once you're on Google, you need to type Perplexity into the search bar. This is the keyword that will lead us to the necessary website where all the magic is going to happen. As you hit enter, the search results will pop up, and from there, look for the official Perplexity website link and give it a click. Now that you've landed on the Perplexity webpage, your next task is to make a prompt. This prompt is essentially the idea or scenario you want the AI to create within the video. Since we're focused on SpongeBob at McDonald's, you can craft a short description capturing that essence. Think of it as setting the stage before the act begins. This prompt tells the AI what kind of scene we're interested in creating. With your prompt ready, you'll need to click on the model section. This is crucial as it determines the computational backbone the AI will use to process your video. You might see various models, but for today's tutorial, we're focusing on the Gemini 2.5 Pro. Go ahead and select it. This model offers enhanced features that ensure your video is rendered with high quality and precision, a great choice for fun, animated content. Having done that, the final step is to click Submit. This action will set the AI to work, taking your prompt and using the selected model to generate your video. Submitting the prompt is like planting a seed, and soon, you'll see the fruit of an engaging, quirky AI video. Now, while you're waiting for the completion, keep in mind that the processing time can vary based on a few factors, like the complexity of your video prompt or server load. It's important to be patient and let the AI do its thing. Once the work is done, you'll have a unique video combining SpongeBob's playful nature with the hustle and bustle of a classic McDonald's setting. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to create an AI video with Perplexity, complete with tons of creative potential. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it informative. Stay creative and happy video making.